All right, so the problem with creating something in short form, like a condensed course, condensed, yeah, something like that. A condensed course is that you're going to have to know everything. All right, so I'm going to show you a clip from part of the condensed course that I just started creating last night. And then you're going to take notes. You can take mental notes if you want, or you can take the notes down if you'd like from it. And then at the end, I'll show you my notes, and let's see how close you get. We're going to use red. Introduction. Great, thanks. The SQL language. SQL. All right. It's an acronym. It means Structured Query Language. All right. That's it. That's number one. There's number one thing you're going to have to know. You're going to have to know what SQL means. It means Structured Query Language. Number two, it is used to communicate with relational databases. Yes, there are other types of databases that SQL is used to communicate with, including data warehouses, including other data stores. Right now, our focus is on relational databases. So SQL, Structured Query Language, is used to communicate with relational databases and other data stores. All right. SQL statements, that's what they're called. The code is called statements, are used to perform tasks such as update in a database. All right. So now we've got the next term we've got to know. What's a database? So we've got this database here. It's not pretty, but you get the idea. It's a database. What is it? A database is a collection of objects. That's exactly what a database is. That is the definition. Write it down, learn it, and regurgitate it when someone asks you what a database is. That's all it is. All right? For example, we're going to get an example. SQL, the SQL select is used to query a database. Query, the select means read. Select, read. There are two different forks in the SQL language, in all SQL, not just Transact. All right, so we have the DDL fork and the DML fork. Yes, you should be writing this down. This is Database Definition Language, DDL. This is Database Manipulation Language. Right? We're manipulating something. What are we manipulating? The data in the tables in the DB, in the database. There are only four of these. It makes it easy to remember. There is select. That means to read. Read the data, right? There is insert. That means to put data in table. Put data into table. Update. Change. Change the data. Change the data in that table, and then delete. And I bet you can guess what that one does. This one removes data from the table. These are the core four. You're going to need to know them. So there are different types of relational databases. Yes, there are. There's Microsoft SQL Server, the one we're talking about. MySQL, Postgres, MariaDB, Oracle, right? There are lots of different kinds of databases. We had a lot on that page. Let's move to the next one. All right, here are my notes. Did you get this? SQL, Structured Query Language, right? It's used to communicate with relational databases and other data stores. You're going to have to know that. A database is a collection of objects. You're going to have to know that. Select is read. Down here we have it again. All right. DDL stands for Database Definition Language. DML, Database Manipulation Language. Select, insert, update, delete. You're going to have to know that select means read, insert means to insert or put into the database, update means to change something, delete means to remove records. Now, I know that was short. That clip was short, right? We have a full page of notes here that you must know. There's nothing on this you can just say, oh, okay, I don't know. No, that's the thing about a condensed course, right? You must know everything in this page You're going to go into an interview, you're going to have to know it.